ポイントとかあります？
Wrap like this.
Hi everyone, this is Kazu. Today I would like to introduce how to make Japanese fried egg. It's called dashimaki tamago, tamago which means egg in Japanese, and it's very delicious. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start making the dashimaki tamago, which is Japanese fried egg. And all you're gonna do is use 2 eggs, that's it. And it's gonna be very delicious. It'll only take about 5 minutes or so. Now, the eggs are ready and we just stir them. Now, we're gonna use soy sauce as usual, and if you have, you can always use Japanese rice liquor, and if you don't have it, you can always use white wine. And I'm gonna measure it. Half of teaspoon, half. And half of soy sauce. And if you want to put in sugar, sugar is fine. It gets a little sweet, but it's very tasty. Now, I think I want to put in some sugar so that it gets sweet. A little bit of this, like this. Okay, this will do maybe. And guys, I think you're worried about this. I think you guys are worried what's going on because I'm not introducing what I introduce all the time. Super dry Asahi super dry, whatever. It's very tasty. Okay, so in Japan, oh, this is third Asahi super dry today, and in Japan we call kanpai for cheers. So kanpai. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in. And paper towel, and make sure it's equally oiled. And now that it's oiled, look at the heat. Now I'm gonna put in little by little. And put the oil inside here like that. And you bring the eggs back like this and put the oil again, and now you just put these on. 一気にぐらいと。
Wrap like this.
You want to make sure that it's square. Now, if you enjoyed my eggs, then please subscribe, read my description, and I'll be waiting for your comments.